So this is a combination unit here showing our awning casement line. So at the bottom, we have a awning unit. Off to this side here, we've got a rotogear casement. And on this side here, we've got a push-out casement. So, when you put them all together, you can really see that, whether it's, the push-out casement, rotogear, or awning, the sight lines are all going to line up between the frame and the sash. So we get into the hardware a little bit. You can see here, this is our standard Tango hardware, and this here is our new contemporary hardware. So very simple to use and very clean. We don't have the handle standing up, so it can be, maybe unsightly, a bit obtrusive. So our handles all will fold into place. And then you just need to unlock the system here, and then of course the rotogear will open the sash that way. So as you can see, on our units, we have multi-point hardware. So that just gives you security, and as the sash gets larger and larger, which many of our customers like some very big units, and we do provide those, it just gives you security and gives you the locking points more than just one location. So that of course is our rotogear hardware, which I was just demonstrating for you here. This here is our push-out casement. And so it's once again a very clean design. Some people like to use it, even from modern to more traditional. It kind of lends itself to both. So it's very simple. Once again, we have multi-point locks on this sash. We have just a handle here, and then you just simply push it out. So very clean, simple design. And of course our awning down over here. Locking points on both sides. As the awnings get taller, we will have multi-locking points on both sides. And then once again, you just pull the handle out and rotate it in and out, and that'll give you your venting. And just lock it like so. Another feature that we're showing here once again is clean design. So you notice on the awning unit here and also on the push-out casement, it's a square stop. The SDL bars on this unit here are once again square, so it's very contemporary, clean looking. And on this casement over here, we're showing a putty style stop. So there's a little bit of a gradual angle to it, and that lends itself more to a traditional market. So on our awning and casement units, we have 3 screen options. We have a standard screen, which we haven't shown in here, but just your basic standard screen with pins that would go into these grommets over here. So this feature here is our retractable screen item, which you just pull down from the top here, like so. Nice thing about that, it's, you don't have to store your screens in full at the end of the year. You just very simply give it a push here and it'll ride up. This here is our push-out screen. So that's a bit more of a traditional type of a screen. Once again, it is a very clean design. And so if you're looking for something a little bit different, a little more traditional, we'll often find that people will take this screen right here. With energy efficiency being at the top of most people's minds nowadays, it's certainly becoming more and more something as a window company that we are seeing and are addressing. These units here are shown in the dual glaze configuration, but they all are available in triple glazing. So in each case there, we'll have a true 1/2-inch airspace for each, which gives you very good thermal performance and U values.